Don Regier speaking to you from the McSwine family farm. Well, it finally happened. Through neglect, through dumb mistakes, and in spite of his good intentions, Decker McSwine finally turned his classic 40 Ford coupe into a, into a chicken coop. I like to think of Decker's car as a real-life miniature. In the death of this classic, we see what is happening all around us on a larger scale in real life. People ask me, how long did it take you to make this beat-up old farmhouse? I tell them, well, I didn't do anything at all. I just never fixed anything. Never painted the house, never patched the roof, never fixed the pump. You see, if you never fix anything, stuff just falls apart. We call it entropy. At the national level, we call it politics. And we're all acquainted with McSwine flu at the personal level. Our counselors call it weaknesses, growth areas, maladaptive behavior. Maybe it's time for a second opinion, a firm diagnosis, and a prescription. An ancient book, the Bible, observes, there is a way that seems right to a man, but in the end it leads to death. The Bible calls the disease sin, a nasty word we don't like to call by its real name anymore. The prognosis, the Bible tells us, your sins have become a barrier between you and your God. Do you think that could be our problem internationally, nationally, personally? Something to think about.